Hi there, good morning. It's me, Jonathan Rios, all the way down there. It's called the heater control valve. My van, yesterday morning, my lady told me my van was leaking coolant. So I did some research. As I was working in the job, every second I had, I did research. And that right there, it's like the switch that it's connected somehow to that cable over there, similar to the accelerator pedal sensor cable right here. Well, that one over there, which is white, you can see it, my finger is similar to this one over here, which I had experience putting the last time. So I did some research, and there's a bracket over here, which is that thing, and that little screw that's coming out over there, and that they have to be, once you take it out with a 10 millimeter, you have to make sure once it goes in. And this right here is a clip. It's real hot, the engine right now. There's a clip that holds that cable that's connected to the switch, and without that the van wasn't running or anything. This is the old one. Come to find out, as soon as I did my research, which it didn't take me much, the tip broke. The tip broke out. This is the old one. The tip broke out, and the coolant started leaking from here, and there was smoke everywhere and all that. That's the old one. Doesn't have the clip that connects to the cable. That little thing coming out right there, it's holding the cable. It's pretty crazy because the van couldn't run, and that would mess up the whole motor, and water can leak to the engine and fuck up everything. It would be real bad. Excuse my French. So I changed it, and it's doing pretty good now. Have a great day. My name is Jonathan Rios, and that's the heater control valve.